Hello and welcome back, students. We are back with another set of Linux everyday commands. First one is going to be ls command. Second one is going to be crontab. Third one is going to be less, less. Fourth one is going to be more, more. And fifth one is going to be cp or copy command. So let's get started. So the ls command displays list of files in human readable form. So if I do an ls-l, right now it's showing 0 files. So let's create a couple of files. Touch file 1, touch file 2. So I've created 2 files. Let's see if we see them now. And we are seeing 2 files that I just created. Okay, it shows the file permissions, who's the owner, group, the date the files were created or last modified. Sort files as per last modified time. If you want to do the sorting, you can do a LTR. It shows the last modified first. But in our case, since we have created both files right now, the next command is crontab. Crontab is a scheduling command where you schedule a repetitive task that you want run, say, or couple of nights or couple of days at a certain time. So you put it in crontab file and it's going to run it at that specific timing and day. So the way you create a crontab is crontab-e. I have already created it and this is my command. So if you look at it, this is commented out. So of course this command is not going to run. The pound sign means it's a comment. 00 is the month, is the minute. 10 is the hour. So at 10 every day. Day of the month, and day of the week. These are the 3 stars. So that's what's saying is every day is going to run. And what is going to run is just going to run the ls command, which of course is useless, but I just wanted to show an example. And whatever ls shows, I'm telling it to put it in ls.txt, a text file. So that's what my cron job is going to do when it's going to run every day. And so if you want to list all the cron jobs that you have, because you can run several cron jobs. It doesn't have to be one specific task. You can just do crontab-l. It'll tell you all the cron jobs that you have scheduled. The next 2 commands are very similar to each other. They pretty much do the same thing. One is called less. And let's see if we want to do etc password file. And less command allows quickly view your file. You can page up and page down. And you can also do, I can do page up, page down, and you can also just do Q and it's going to quit. Then we have more command. More does pretty much the same thing as the less command does. You are looking, so when you do more or less, basically what you're doing is you're not accidentally editing the files. You're basically just viewing them. And so that way, especially since I'm a super user right now, if I accidentally happen to change this password file, then I might get locked out of the system because it's a very important file. View it first before changing anything. And the less and more command allow you to do that. And just like the less, you can just type quit. Q to quit. Our next command is a very simple but very useful copy command. So I have one file, file 1, and I just have some characters in there just to have something, and it's not empty. So I just got these random numbers in there. And I'm going to copy this to another file. The reason it becomes useful is suppose I want to edit this file 1. I want to make a copy of that, so in case if I mess up on file 1, I have a backup copy. So I do copy file 1 to file 2. So I have two identical copies. If I do a more on file 2 right now, it has the same content as file 1. So that's file 1.